Hello everyone and welcome back to another trading session. Today we will have a very nice trading session. The market looks very good today. I'm going to go with the buys right now, go for 2 trades. And as you can see, we are at this demand area. There we go. This is the demand area for me. And the setup in general is a QM setup. This is the QM zone. You can see low, high, lower, low, and then higher, high. So this zone will be the QM zone. If you want to find out more about QMs, check this video. You can find it in the popular section of the channel. Okay, so now the price will react exactly from the blue zone. You can see that. We could wait for a better entry. Also, we have a gap down. As you can see, the candle starting with a gap down, and it's a confirmation for us to take the trade. Okay. Now, I will just go to the next pair and I will try to find another opportunity. Let me just show you the higher time frame confirmation for this QM. As you can see, we have engulfing pattern in 5 minutes. I forgot to tell you this. For QM trades, after detecting your QM zone, you need to go to the higher time frame to see if that is inside of an engulf. And higher time frame is usually 3 minutes or 5 minutes if there's a lot of candles. Okay, and you see that it is basically an engulfing pattern in the higher time frame, so it shows us the strength of the setup. Okay, if you look at this one, this is another QM. Look, this is another QM setup, just as this one, low, high, lower, low, and then break the previous swing. Again, low, high, low, low, break the previous swing. Okay, so QM zone, again, QM zone. And now let's go to the lower time frame, first 3 minutes. Okay, we don't see engulf here. Let's go to 5 minutes. And in the 5 minute, you can see this engulfing pattern, and the QM actually worked. Okay, now for finding the better entry, we can go to lower time frame step by step. After detecting the higher time frame engulfing pattern, and in the lower time frame, we need to place our entry exactly on a fresh demand area, just as this blue zone. Okay, just as that blue zone. In this one also, this was the entry. If you look, yeah, so you can see that the lower time frame on 15 seconds, we have fresh demand area right here. The entry was exactly right here. And also on this one, we have fresh blue zone right there. And both of them worked perfectly. Okay. If you want to find out more about QMs, make sure you have to watch this video. Okay. That's a full complete guide of QM setup. It's one of the greatest setups. All right, I'm just gonna move on and try to find another opportunity now. All right, let me just, oh shit, I think we missed this opportunity. No, it wasn't fresh. It wasn't fresh. I was about to take this trade. This is also, no, it's not even a QM. Okay, so for this one to be a QM, it has to come up first, and then we have the QM zone. Okay, it hasn't broken the previous swing yet. So let's just move on. All right, now we are inside of this price channel, and as you can see, the price is moving this way. So we can have another green candle going up and then rejecting. But here I will try to enter with margin of safety if I want to take it. Okay, we got the gap up. I want to enter right at this round number with the sellers. No, it didn't give us the entry. You know, since the market consists of a lot of wicks, a lot of shadows, I thought maybe it gives us this wick for this candle and then rejects. Okay. Okay, you see this finally became a QM. Low high and then break the previous swing. It's not breaking significantly, so this will become a risky one. And then after that, okay, hold on, low, high, lower, low, again, higher, high, slightly higher, high. This is a high risk QM. Then comes down and reacts. The reason why I would take this is because of this gap down. You see this jump down on the start of the green candle. This will make buyers to get into the market. Right? Just as this gap up in the favor of sellers. So gap ups are in the favor of sellers and gap downs are in the favor of buyers. There was a breakout setup. First touch, second touch, and third touch is breaking for this trade. Okay, I want to take this trade right now. You see this gap up? Like I said, gap up is in the favor of sellers and gap down is in the favor of buyers. So this gap up is not the only reason to take this. The main reason is that, let me just show you. It was on 15. Yes, so this is a supply area, okay, which price touched, and this is a decision point for us, okay. As you can see, we have a very respected support area somewhere here, okay. Market used to respect this area very much. A fake out, comes back again, finally a breakout happens right here. So we have one decision point right here, which price rejected. And then after that, we have this one right here. Okay. We have another decision point. Again, created another support. And then the decision point is somewhere here. Okay. And we always like to enter if the decision point is, let me just, another one somewhere here, right? What's this one? We want entry above the very respected support and resistance. Okay, in this case we have very respected support. After it's broken, it has some fresh supply above. The price comes up here, it will reject. Okay, let's go back to lower time frame to show you the supply. Okay, you can already see a supply right here. It's fresh. Right? So this one could also be the entry for us. Oh my god, I didn't even notice that. Alright, so I considered this supply right here, which both of them worked. See this? Supply right here. And then if you were considering the 30-second, just like that, we would also have a winning trade, okay? So in this trade, I'm not sure if I was seeing this 30 minutes, I would take this. I would probably wait for this right here, but I took it because of this gap up. This gap up confirmed the trade for me, okay? I hope that's clear. Yeah, let's just move on to the next pair. Alright, so this is a very healthy momentum to the upside, very healthy, okay? So going against it, even if there's a QM, going against it is so risky, okay? Especially the trend is not also with us, so I'm not going to go against that. I think this chart we already talked about. If you remember, this was the price channel and we were here deciding to, look at that, we were deciding to take this trade right at right at this round number, if you remember, and it didn't give us the entry, right? It gave us this red one, and then finally it went up to touch the resistance of this price channel, and now it's just coming down. All right. All right, man. I was about to take this QM trade, but we don't have entry at the lower time frame, so all right, no way. I was about to take this buy. See, we have the 5-minute engulfing pattern for this QM. I'll be quick on this one because I don't want to miss this. Oh, we don't have entry at the lower time frame. Now let's just go and see how this candle will close. Okay, if we close and open up with a gap down, I probably will take this, but that's risky. Okay, there's no gap up, gap down, and we have a momentum to the downside, so this QM is not valid anymore. Yeah, just annoying. Let me just take this with 200 just for fun. So yeah, this is what you have to learn from this setup. This is the QM zone, right? I explained at the beginning of the video. We have low, high, lower, low, and then higher, high, right? But why did I take this with 200? Because we don't have entry at the lower time frame. But before that, let's go and check the higher time frame. We have engulfing pattern in the higher time frame, but the thing is we don't have entry at the lower time frame. Okay, if you look at this area, you don't see any fresh demand area. Okay, right down here we have a fresh one. I take it with 200. There we go. This would be the entry. So the first entry was not good, right? So this was the, I don't know why didn't I see this right here at the beginning, man? It's crazy. All right, so the red zone is the correct entry for this trade. For this candle, I should have been entered right here, but these two 200s are opened on the next candle, so that's kind of messed up. It's kind of messed up. Oh man, that's kind of messed up because these two should have been on this candle. They should have been already closed. No way. Okay, that's fucked up. All right, that was my bad. That was my bad. And yeah. Okay, so now, so the QM was actually had everything we needed. Like look, high, low, high, high, and then low, low. This is the QM zone. We check the higher time frame engulf, right? But the problem is that I didn't see the fresh entry when I was first checking the area. I didn't see this part right here, right? So this was the correct entry for this QM instead of entering right here, which I did at the first $200 trade. And yeah, so I should have waited for this one to come down and then I would enter right at this candle and it would be a winning trade. But for some reason, it opened my second entries on this candle, which was a losing trade. That's totally fine. It was 200. I will make this up really quick. Let's just go and find another opportunity. That's totally my bad, bro. It happens for everyone. And the thing is that you don't need to lose your control and doubt yourself. That's all that matters for now. This kind of situations. Oh man, this is a huge gap up. I go 2 trades right here, and I believe it will give us the red one right here. Beautiful. See, huge gap up. Huge gap up at the supply area. Beautiful. See, we made up the previous losses. See, previous 200 losses. What 3 trade of 200 made up easily with 2 trade of a short shot. See that? That's why I always encourage people to use dynamic money managements. It means that you take lower amount on high risky trades. Okay? And this way you will be able to manage your risk way better. And do not lose your control when you lose some trades. Okay, so we have supply area rejected. Again, supply area rejects. This supply right here is not fresh, but I still considered that because of this huge gap up. Also, this is a very weak trend. See this doji at the middle? This is kind of indecision trade. It will drop somewhere up here because this is a huge QM, right? It will go up a little bit, it's going to play, and then eventually it will drop, okay? So in general, market's direction will be like this. All right, I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't miss the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.